This is 1967 Acadian Canso Sport Deluxe. It's really the equivalent of the Chevy Nova SuperSport. And you'll notice the Pontiac influences here on the car. It was sold by the Pontiac and Buick dealers in Canada. There's the red line tires and the trim on there on the sides. Beautiful blue color. This would have a Chevy powertrain. Really a beautiful interior. Notice the bucket seats and the console. Essentially the same as the Nova SuperSport. And this car appears to have air conditioning. I would assume it's aftermarket. Added to the bottom there of the dash, the venting. And it has automatic, and that would be Powerglide in this case. And there's the emblem Sport Deluxe. They did this because there was a move to encourage car building in Canada. So they had their own unique models. The Beaumont was one of their models also. And the later Beaumonts were based on the Chevelle. And you see those taillights are unique. Similar to Nova, but different. It's rare when you see these Canadian cars here in Florida, but occasionally you do see them.